Hi everybody, welcome to Beverly Traders. I'm going in a live. Today is Thursday, August 17th. The market is really down today, and we want to see exactly what's happening. So I'm practicing in simulated account. When I'm not taking a trade, it was a bad day or down trading day. I always go simulated account. You can see it to my left side. This is my simulated account. And always I told you before that I am dealing with Tesla and SP500. So I just want to show you what exactly happening. Okay. So let's talk about the Tesla first. Now is my time is Los Angeles time is 8:41. So in New York time would be like almost like 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock is always slow because of everybody goes to break, and it gets back again at 1 o'clock in New York time. But we want to see what happened in the morning time. So morning time, what happened, as you know that whoever is watching my videos, I always use the trend line, few trend lines, not all the trend lines. First trend line I use always the view app. You see the orange color, the view app, both of them. Other trend line I use Bollinger Band. It makes my life easy to see which way the market going. Other one I do like 200 moving average. Simple 200. You can see that on if you go editing that one. It's a simple moving average. I turn to 200. I make it purple color. You can make it thicker, different lines and everything. It helps me a lot. Anyway, let's talk. So look at this, what happened exactly. Opening is one big candle of doji, downtrending. Look at this, what happened. Downtrending doji, it is rejecting the view app. So this is the candle. So one is rejecting a view app. You could like, I don't chase it, but when you see the doji like that, you always take a chance. We could take a chance in here and put stop loss in here for shorting. And when the short comes to that point, you would short it this candle. You're not too far, because you know what happened. Somehow second candle goes up over the view up, then you're gonna lose money. We don't want to lose money. Okay, let's see what happens. Second entry would be like in here. The shorting is touching in here, rejecting view up. Okay, but what happening in here? Look at this. What happening here? So suppose we don't know where to buy. We cannot buy here. We cannot buy here. And look at this, what happened. We could do a chance in here. The reason is like this is almost a double bottom. Whenever double bottom in here, and it happens, when this low bubble comes, low bubble normally goes here, then jump in here. Second low bubble of the day, then you can take a trade in here. Our main goal is to like, click the second candle, confirming one. This is a doji, and put stop loss as tight as possible. So that means we could do to entry to 21.91. Our stop loss will be 221.57, only like 30 cents or something. As a good stop loss, and you just hold it, put stop loss here, and you can do buy. Look at this, it's reflecting. It is taking cover from view app. You can also buy in here. So let's see arrow, where is our buying point. You could buy here one, you could buy here one, and you could buy here one. And you see 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it rejected view app. Normally whenever is rejecting 3 times, 4 times always goes up. We know that one. Sometimes second time also goes up. But anyway, we have to be tight. You don't want to take a risk. You could take in here the buying point, or you could take a here buying point, but put stop loss in here. As soon the stock goes up, we put stop loss in here. Okay, this is one of the patterns, a very good pattern. So 2 patterns we learn. Always I follow that. One pattern is like view app, that what is if it is covered by the view app. Other one, double bottom. Double bottom is a very aggressive way. Double bottom, most of the time when it's double bottom, it goes really high, because retesting the support line. When it's retesting the support line, and people feel more comfortable to buy that point. So look at this, what's happening here. That's why I love 200 moving average. Look, it touching 200 moving average and reflecting. Look at this. This is not a good buy. It's a price point. A lot of people say, "Oh, price point. We have to follow price point." I know we have to follow price point, but thing is, look, it's 225.50. 225.50 is it rejecting from here. Other rejecting from the previous day close. That I use one more pattern that is very important to see. Most of the time, when it's below 200 moving average, it goes down, or most of the time is over 200 previous day close, it goes up. So anyway, if reflecting from there. So it's coming down back again and bouncing back again from here. Look at this. This is two territory we have one territory in here. Now there is one territory in here. There's two way you can make money. Look at this. It's a lot of it's like almost like $2. Look, here is almost like 23.74, 25.60, almost $2. $2 is a very good profit, you know. So anyway, we make a line in here. We see. So look at the view app became now the resistance. Now it came down over the view app. This is not a great buying point. I wouldn't support anybody. But look at this, because of the Bollinger Band, I told you. Look at this, stock is going up and Bollinger Band is coming down. You see, that's what I love about the Bollinger Band. So you know that one is coming down. A lot of people do this trend line in here. Over the trend line, it goes up. But you know, it's too late to go up. Maybe you may to go up. You see the view up. But I don't like to play this time that everybody's taking a break, you know. Anyway, our goal is to see our buying in the morning time is 2 to 2. It went to already $4 in the morning. Maybe you will go somewhere here and come down. We'll see what happens. We'll work on it. So a few things about the Tesla today. So one thing is rejecting from view up. Other thing is we want to buy. Wait for double bottom. Never buy in here. Don't buy in here at all. You know, say hey, it's coming down. I want to chase down. You can chase it, but you will, like, obviously you might lose money, you know. But always wait for double bottom. We always suggest everybody, like, you know, when it's coming down, want to go up to the double bottom, reconfirming your support line, then you buy and then put stop loss tight as possible. Usually this kind of day, you know, is a very aggressive down trading. And same with, look at this, what happened with the SPY is try to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's make it bigger. What happening in the morning time? Like one time, 2 times, 3 times. You see, it's so many times it tried to go over this one. It couldn't do. So you could short in here, say hey, it's not growing up. You could do short in here and put stop loss here. Or I told you that either at the double bottom or double top. You see, almost double top, and you see this is rejecting. You don't short it because it's too fast coming, but you could short from this territory. This is your territory will be shorting. If you do, let me check the line. This is your territory. Below view app, you put your short in here and put stop loss here. Slowly you bring your stop loss near the view app. Okay, so we don't lose that money. So look at that. What happened? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So many times it's rejecting. You know, so many times it's rejecting. So this is the way it works normally. You know, I didn't take a trade today because it's rejecting. I'm not very good with the shorting. I'm good with the buying. I do short sometimes, like minimum amount of money, but I mean, for the long term today was not a good long term one. That was I could take that one, but you know, I have a restricted account, so I couldn't trade. So anyway, so this is the way it works. So always we watch view app, and always we watch double bottom or double top. If it is shorting, double top, and mostly is try to buy over the view app, below the view app, you know, and that's way it will make your patterns better, and will make some money with no risk, minimum risk. You know, risk is there all the time. You know, even in the best day there is a risk, but we want to take less risk. And I tell everybody, you know, I blow up my account so many times. So I'm very careful with growing my account back again. I'm doing small portion, you know, and growing my account. So let's see what happened. My video is almost 8 minutes. Let's see what happened with this day. I'll talk about this day maybe tomorrow, not tomorrow, because it takes me do the on demand. This is simulated account. You could do live. This is live going on with the fake money, paper money, you know. Other one, demand, is showing like you can rewind and forward, and you practice that one and you see what exactly happened. We talk about it, but it's okay. It's a shorting day. Whoever good with the shorting, they're making money, they're bringing it down, but the market is really aggressive down nowadays. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon, and bye bye.